Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're back with the BMW E65 Series project. Now, we just finished coating the whole carpets with our Masterson's fabric protectant. Now, that way this car is going to be ready for winter, and it's going to be completely protected if water or stains get on the carpet. Now, there's one area that I wanted to do that takes detailing to the next level, because here at Masterson's Car Care, we love to take detailing to the next level, and it's going to be the trunk. Now, these BMWs, they have a really amazing trunk. Look how big this is. I mean, you can just fit luggage in here and golf bags and everything. But if you notice on this BMW, like a lot of modern luxury cars, it has a fabric trunk, and this truly is a fabric. All the panels are fabric. Now, what am I gonna do to protect this? I wanna make sure that the inside of this trunk is protected. So I'm gonna take my Masterson's fabric protectant, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the carpets. I'm gonna apply some nice coats to it. Now, I've already done the back fold down areas. Now I'm gonna do the side panels, and I'm gonna do the bottom portion right here, because this is very difficult to take out. You can remove it, but it is really difficult to remove. So I'm gonna use our Masterson's fabric protectant and spray it all over the entire carpet area. So I'm gonna first shake it up real good, and let's apply one light coat first. So I'll start over here, and then I'll work my way around. Now, all you wanna do is take the product and just spray lightly. All you want is a light coat like that. A light coat like that completely covers the whole surface. I'm gonna move down here. There we go. I'm gonna touch up the area back here. And now let's start moving our way across. There we go. Okay. We've already done this area back here, but we're gonna go ahead and touch it up more. And over here, there's this netting area. Don't worry, this product is safe for that as well. So I'm gonna spray it on there. There we go. Now I'm gonna let that dry for about 10 minutes, and then that's gonna give a nice surface for the next coat of our Masterson's fabric protectant to bond to the carpet. So we'll see you in 10 minutes, then we'll give it another coat. We'll see you soon. So we're back after 10 minutes, and the first coat of the Masterson's fabric protectant is bonded to the trunk carpet surface. Now, this trunk carpet could easily get stained, and the problem is if it gets stained, then you can't replace it easily. It's gonna cost a lot of money, or it's at least gonna cost some money to replace some pieces on this because of the carpet on the inside of the trunk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put another coat on there, and it's gonna give a nice bond, a nice protection. So we can put skis in here, we can put winter gear in here, and it's gonna be okay from not getting stained. So let's take our Masterson's fabric protectant, let's shake it up again, and let's just do a nice coat on the inside of this trunk. There we go. 2 light coats is gonna be good on here. There we go. And it's perfect. And we're gonna let that dry. And then once it's dry, our trunk is gonna be protected all the way through winter. Now, if you wanna pick up our Masterson's fabric protectant, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can pick everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, this trunk seriously is gonna be protected. We're gonna let it dry to make sure that it bonds to the surface before we drive the car or before we put luggage inside. And thanks a lot for viewing, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And once again, we'll see you guys next time at the Masterson's Car Care YouTube channel. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.